Today, First Nations communities still face barriers to participation in the mainstream economy. So, First Nations led the way and fought for the development of optional legislation to address those barriers. The First Nations Fiscal Management Act established fiscal institutions to support social and economic development. The FMA is designed to support, not diminish, the implementation of Aboriginal and treaty rights. The FMB was given the responsibility and provided the authority to develop standards and certifications for financial management systems, financial performance, and financial administration laws. The FMB standards are based on internationally recognized finance and administrative governance best practices that have been adapted to meet the needs of First Nations.
We felt it was important to seek FMS certification because NIPSing is working diligently to advance our nation to become more economically prosperous and independent. Good governance and FMS certification are essential to the nation-building path that NIPSing is on. Achieving FMS certification has provided NIPSing the framework and tools needed to drive improvements and achieve goals to benefit not only our nation, but our Debendogsuit, our citizens. We've strengthened our governance and financial policies, which helped build our fiscal capacity. FMS certification is essential in laying the roadmap that drives the First Nation community toward a progressive path to self-governance. Ultimately, the FMS certification in our Chinook-Nagawin puts NIPSing in the driver's seat when it comes to asserting jurisdiction, hence supporting our overall goal to become economically prosperous and independent.
With FMS certification, we were able to streamline all of our policies and the policy framework. It helped council and staff to be transparent, and it has been a very useful guide.
We felt it was important to seek FMS certification for our nation because it increased our access to capital, advanced our economic development in our community for the benefit of our members and the surrounding community, and strengthen our already strong financial management systems. As a result of our FMS certification, the benefits to our nation has been allowing us to be on a more level playing field with the global business community. Educating and training our employees in different areas is an ongoing process. We also gained knowledge and understanding on the importance of having a strong financial management system, and it also increased our transparency to our band members, and we engaged them more than we have in the past.
There were three reasons RAM is seek that certification, and the first reason was for us to get the ability to get a long-term guaranteed rate. The second reason we looked at it is Chief and Council and the Finance Department felt we already had a high standard with respect to processes. By getting the certification, we were able to show the community that we meet the highest standards in the country. The last reason we looked at it was we saw a number of templates that we thought would help by implementing the certification, would help us identify our risk profile and manage risk going forward better than we were already. Everybody feels that it was the right decision, and we're moving towards self-government, hopefully.